happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying our last chapter, that is Word 2016. Today we are going to move to part 2 of this chapter. Okay, let's see. Today we are going to learn creating a new document. अब हम new document कैसे create कर सकते हैं, फिर उसमें font size and font color भी कैसे change कर सकते हैं. Okay, first of all, you need a blank space to type. For this, you have to create a new document. जैसे कि आपको एक plain paper चाहिए होता है लिखने के लिए. In the same way, we need a blank space to type something on the computer. अब वो blank space कैसे आएगी? वो आएगी new document create करने से. Okay, we will open Word. See, this is our Word document. Yes. Now, how to create a new document? We will click on the File tab. We will click on New. Okay, we will click on Blank Document. Yes. Then here we are having the option of Create. See, understood? This is the document 2. Okay, we have created a new document. Yes. Now, this is here we are having the blank space to type. For suppose if we are writing happy morning, okay, then happy morning to my dear children. Okay, then I am asking to you, how are you all? Okay, now ma'am has typed something for you. Okay, we will just move this. Okay, happy morning dear children, how are you all? मैम आपसे पूछ रही है बट इसका फॉन्ट कितना छोटा है, साइज छोटी है. नाउ इफ यू वांट दिस इन अ बिगर फॉन्ट, हमको इसकी साइज बढ़ानी है, हम कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट इट. ओके, एंड हाउ कैन वी सिलेक्ट इट? हम यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, देन we will press the click left mouse button and then we will drag it. आपको क्लिक को नहीं छोड़ने का है. ओके, you will press it and then you will drag it like this. तो ये जब आपकी ब्लू में आ जाएगा it will be selected, means ये हमारा जो हमने टेक्स्ट टाइप किया है it is selected. अंडरस्टूड? कैसे करना है? लेफ्ट माउस बटन को प्रेस करके रखोगे and then you will drag it. Okay, so from here we can increase the font size. See, आपको 11 दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, हम यहाँ पे font size इसे increase कर सकते हैं. Understood? We can make it to 20, 22, 24. Yes. Now, if we want to change the font style, okay, how we can change it? Here we are having different fonts. Okay. See, different fonts are given to us. You can see the Arial black also, है ना, बहुत सारे font size हैं. Then we are having the font color also. अब black color नहीं चाहिए, we want different colors. Okay, for suppose we want happy morning in a different color, so we will select it. Here we are having font colors, different font color available to us. See, it's in purple. Then dear children, make it in a different color. So we will select it and then we will select a different color. Yes. And the last, how are you all? So first we will select it and then we will choose a different color. Blue. This is your favorite color. Wow. See, like this we can type anything. We can increase the size, we can change the font and then we can change the font color. But ये सब करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होता है? First you have to select the text. क्या करोगे आप? टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करोगे and then you will change all these. Understood? Is it clear to you dear children? Yes. So next we were having in the theory part like changing the font size, font color. Once you have typed something in your document, you can make changes to the text. You can change the color, size of the entire text or the selected portion. This we have seen it. Okay. You can also choose the color. हमने ये भी किया. Then size of the text at the beginning, so that when you start typing the text, it will appear in that color and size of the screen. Now, this can be done using the font group on the home tab. This we have seen कहाँ पे था वो font size and color? It was in the font group in the home tab. Is it clear to you, dear children? Yes. Next, we are having saving a document. Now, we have done something in our document. हमने कुछ type किया है. We want to save it. You can save your document in the form of file. It helps you to use it in future. अब वो save कैसे करने का document? Yes, we will see it. See, this is our document number 2. We have written here, happy morning dear children. How are you all? है ना? Now, we have changed the font color, font size, everything we have changed in the font group in the home tab. Now we want to save it. How to save it? We will click on the file tab. Here we are having the save option. Okay, we will click on it. Then we will write here standard 2. Okay, we will save it with the name standard 2. It is being saved. See here. डॉक्यूमेंट नेम अपीयर्ड हियर. यस, जिस नेम से हमने सेव किया है वो यहाँ पे आ गया. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नाउ इफ आई एम क्लोजिंग इट, ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू ओपन दैट डॉक्यूमेंट. अब मुझे फिर से वो डॉक्यूमेंट देखना हो तो मैं कैसे देख सकती हूँ? आई विल गो ऑन द फाइल टैब. आई विल क्लिक ऑन ओपन. सी हियर आई एम हैविंग द स्टैंडर्ड 2. याद है हमने स्टैंडर्ड 2 के नेम से सेव किया था. आई विल क्लिक ऑन इट. See, it appeared again. वो फाइल फिर से आ गई. तो हम ऐसे ही सारी फाइल्स फ्यूचर में यूज कर सकते हैं by saving it. Is it clear to you, dear children? How to create a new document, how to change the font, font size and font color. Yes. Now the last part we are having to close the window. Now we have finished our work. Okay, we have typed something, we have changed all the things. Okay, now we want to close this window. How to close this window? We will click on the close button available on the title bar. कहाँ पे है ये? टाइटल बार में. We will click on close button. See, हमारी विंडो क्लोज हो गई and we are again back to our theory part. Is it clear to you, dear children? It's very easy. Yes. So next we are having worksheet which is there in your textbook itself on the last page. Okay, who am I? I am a ruler used to set the left margin. कौन सा ऐसा रूलर था जो लेफ्ट मार्जिन सेट करता था? Tell me. It was horizontal ruler. Yes. So here you will write horizontal ruler. Then I am a scroll bar used to scroll left or right in the document. कौन सा ऐसा scroll bar था? We have studied in the part 1 of this video lesson. It was horizontal scroll bar. Then I am a button used to minimize a window to a small icon on the taskbar. अब minimize कर देता है वो एकदम विंडो को. कौन सा था? Reduce कर देता है. Minimize. So here you will write minimize. Then I am a blinking line on the document area. We have seen a small blinking line that was known as cursor. So here you will write cursor. Then I am present on title bar. This present on title bar क्या था वो? कौन सा टूल बार था वो? It was quick access toolbar, dear children. I hope you are very much clear with all the answers. You have to just write it and then you have to send me the Photoshop of it. So simple. I will send you the notes of this chapter as well. You have to complete it in your notebook. Then you will send me the Photoshop of your notes. Yes, dear children. I know my children are very good. Bye, dear children. God bless you all.